Hi, I am Beyond Excel's AI spokesmodel. You may have seen Beyond Excel's 5G video showing a user on the left screen making budget entries, while on the right screen we see a report creating itself from a single formula in a single cell, using only native Excel functions. I want to emphasize there is only one cell on that worksheet with a formula. All other values spill from that one formula. There are no add-ins and no VBA, just native Excel functions. You may have also seen Beyond Excel's video showing how that 5G model can be assembled in as little as 6 minutes with no special skills. The demonstration model was for budgeting, which may have some of you asking, is 5G compatible with my favorite financial modeling methodology? Let's find out. Here are two versions of the same three-way financial model. One was created from the ground up using FAST methodology by FAST instructors. The other is that same model using dynamic arrays and 5G components exclusively. Can you tell which is which? They look identical. Their results are identical. But the 5G model has these advantages. 1. 5G and dynamic array formulas are typically smaller. Here is an example. 2. Never again copy to write or fill right formulas. Dynamic arrays spill auto-magically. 3. Never again change or extend formulas to accommodate changed timelines. 4. Never again worry about inconsistent formulas. They are impossible with dynamic arrays. 5. Enjoy 5G components that reduce tough modeling problems to a single function. 6. Enjoy having only a fraction of formula cells to contend with. Fewer formula cells mean fewer failure points, and that means reduced risk and reduced audit effort. 5G. Quick, correct, easy.